YouTube? It's your boy Bombster Fool, and I'm back with another video, you feel me? Hey man, first of all, I want to just take this time out and say thank you for all my new subscribers. I actually just checked the other day, and my Transformer video, the review of it, you know, Optimus Prime up there, he got like 20K views in like a couple days, and I was like kind of blown away by that. But if you guys really like that stuff, let me know, and I'll keep on doing some toy reviews because I really love that. And I actually just pre-ordered one of my first statues ever, so stay tuned on that. I'm gonna have to wait like a year, so you guys gonna have to be patient with that video. But I'm telling you, this statue is crazy. But yeah, let's get into this unboxing video, man. This is big, this is huge, literally, you feel me? I'm a big fan of this show for many years, and I actually have a funny story to tell you, because this is not the second, well, not the first time, this is the second time of me getting this, because first time I ordered this was off of eBay, and yeah, you know, when things are a little bit too good to be true, ordered this on eBay. The seller had no feedback, you know, the price was a little bit too good to be true, but I was being cheap, so I kind of deserved it. I basically got scammed. Yes, your boy got scammed. I haven't been scammed on eBay in a long time, so that was pretty funny. I'll roll the clip right now, actually. We shall see. No, this dude try to scam. Set me a weight. Gotcha, bitch. Set me a weight, bruh. I got you. I got you. Give my money back, bitch. Okay.
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 All right. I'm putting cases on all you bitches. You think you can do this to me? You motherfuckers will be playing basketball in Pelican Bay when I get finished with you.
You see, the dude scammed me and sent me a 5-pound weight. And the thing was, you know, it's not 5 pounds. The thing that I ordered is not 5 pounds, because the thing I ordered is the big red boots from Astro Boy. You know what I'm saying? Astro Boy boots, and they're actually 27 pounds. So this dude thinks he can get away with that, but you know, I've been dealing with eBay and collecting sneakers and being scammed on eBay multiple times, so I know how eBay is gonna do. And if you guys didn't see or the video before, what he basically did was send me a 5-pound weight, and he said, oh no, somebody must have from the USPS must have switched it out and changed the label. And I was like, but this is the box you sent me, right? And I had him confirm, he didn't deny it. He was like, yeah, blah, 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 blah. But, so he never denied that that was the same box. If you look closely up top, the weight is 4 pounds. You feel me? So, let's say that, you know, I mean, he printed out the label. He said PayPal made him pay, what, $20-something, $25, $27. And, he went to the post office and they sent it off. So I was like, hey, you don't have a receipt at the post office? And he was like, no, they just sent me the label and I shipped it off. I was like, oh, okay, but the thing is, this thing it weighs 27 pounds. Even if he brought it to the post office, he would have to pay some money, because he only paid for 4 pounds worth of goods, you know what I'm saying? And 27 pounds, probably like good $50, I would say, to send something. At least 30 or plus. So you would have to have a receipt. But yeah, man. With all that said, we have the real deal. Let's hope. They better not send me a fucking 25-pound weight, because I'll be pissed. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, let's see, let's get into this unboxing. This is a huge box. The box that I got was basically almost no bigger than what you sent like sneakers in, you know what I'm saying? I just ordered some other Jordans, that was 4 pounds, you know what I'm saying? So it definitely was not this box. So like, this was I think the first manga anime that I was ever kind of introduced to, because my dad, he bought me like actually Dragon Ball, of course, but then he saw I like anime, so he bought me a book, and it had like all this stuff from like Japanese anime, and he was like, yeah, Astro Boy. You know what I'm saying? He grew up on Astro Boy, and I was like, oh, Astro Boy. I started drawing him and stuff, but I really didn't. I watched them here and there, but I started watching them more later as an adult, and it's pretty dope. God damn! This box is huge. Like, the box that I got from the scammer was like half of that, like a quarter of this shit. This shit is huge. So, sizing, I got a size 10. I'm usually a size 9. I've seen people where they got similar, so I was like, yeah, let me size up, because I don't want to be one of those guys that get stuck on my foot and shit. Oh. All right, we got the MSCHF paper wrap. Damn. These some big boots. These some big old red boots, boy. I have to go, you know what I'm saying? I tell you. Wow. These are crazy. Way bigger than I expected. No wonder people be like, yo, this shit is wild. This is the right boot. Got MSCHF. You know what I'm saying? On the bottom. It comes with stuff. Alright. Inside has like this honeycomb plastic. So it's flexible, I guess. Mold, so it fits in. So I like how it's, you know, I love the rollout, what they did. Very genius with that, with all the hype around it. And I like the packaging. The packaging is pretty cool. Size reference. I think I will create a sweater or a design that, you know, with my style on it, so I can wear it with these. So stay tuned, you feel me? Oh yeah, if you have not dropped a like, please drop a like, subscribe, helps my channel grow. And shout out to my 97 subscribers. That's crazy. I'm going to definitely do a giveaway at 100. So 3 more subscribers, we can do a sticker giveaway, man. Because I used to do stickers. If you don't know, I did Pokemon wearing sneakers and did Garfield wearing sneakers and stuff. Nice Kicks posted that. Did a couple articles. So yeah, man, I'll do like a raffle, and I'll pick. Let's say I'll pick 5 winners. All right, 5 winners. I'm gonna send stickers to you. So drop a like below, comment let's get it below, follow my Instagram, yeah, follow my IG, I'm gonna drop it below, and I'm gonna put your names into like a little raffle thing, and I'm gonna do a raffle next video. But yeah, let's get these on foot, shall we? I can't even clap them together. I'll be describing you how it feels. They are a little tight going in, but it feels a little bit snug. Bam. Yeah. Feels good that I went up a size up. So yeah, definitely go a size up. Don't size down. Wow, these are kind of, these are heavy. Hey! Oh shit. Astro Boy. Astro Boy. Yeah, I don't know. I love outlandish stuff. I love flashy stuff. For example, Yeezy, he had these boots that were they were prototypes, but when I saw them, I was like, I'll definitely wear these. And they were kind of like a summer shape. Not as big, but they're pretty dope. But yeah. I might even paint these. You never know. You never know what I might do. Oh yeah! Wait, I got another package. Oh man, this is pretty dope. This is pretty dope. Still with the tag, new with tags. Astro Boy shirt. Mighty Atom, you know, on the back. So this was released in Japan by Tezuka Productions. And it has kind of like a 3D effect patch sewn on. Has Astro Boy as a human, and then underneath his skeleton, he's a robot. You know what I'm saying? So it changes. I don't know if you can see that, but that's pretty dope. And that's one thing I really loved about Astro Boy is just the machinery and as an artist, just the complexity of the robot underneath. But usually, a lot of people, when they make a robot, it's very simple and plain. But as you can see, man, the anatomy of that robot is crazy, and I love details. So, yeah, I'm definitely have to do a piece like this. That's pretty dope. Got the tag right here from Japan, man. 3,900 yen, so I believe it's about $40 that cost. And I copped it for about 50. So hey, it's perfect match, right? Yeah. So I'm actually about to put this on right now. Oh yeah, real nice, real nice. It's a large, so it fits real nice. Not too snug, but it fits me. It fits me, and I think this fit right here. I could just ride it like this. What you think? I'm around in my boots. My boots. These not boots. They're boots. You know. Crazy. Last but not least, we got another thing. Another thing to go with that theme. Go with the theme. I'm still setting up my basement and stuff, so but it's coming together, and I wanted to get some art, something to hang on the wall. A skate deck. Oh, yes, sir. This is the bait. Astro Boy deck, and it goes with my shirt. The anatomy of Astro Boy is so complex and so dope. Oh man, and this actually glows in the dark. So yeah, man. I mean, come on, you got the boots, you know what I'm saying? Got the shirt, you got the whole shebang bang. You know what I'm saying? Astro Boy Atom Project collaboration. These actually came in a 3-pack, but you can buy a singular. So they have like the one of the side views, but I just wanted one because I'm gonna hang one by one side of my TV, and then I got another skate that I'm gonna hang on the other. Close up. It's like a holographic board, like holographic foil. But then again, like I said, the white parts, it'll glow in the dark. Your boy went to Michael's and he got some foam to put in around the top so it won't. It's very uncomfortable actually when you're walking because it just bangs, the hard plastic bangs against your shin. So I got some foam from Michael's. One has basically adhesive tape. I'm gonna try that. It might be too thin, that's why I got a thicker one. They're both $1 each. And I got me some quick dry tacky glue. I'm gonna measure it and cut it, and I'm gonna glue it, and we should have a solution. Don't want to have no hurting shins when you're walking on these, because a lot of people, like I said, people get marks and they get a little. It's no fun. It's no fun. Here we go. Right. So this foam is too thin, so that's why I got glad that I got the thicker. I'm gonna cut it a nice size so we can always cut smaller. Right? And that's good right here. You can't really see it, but it's right at that point where it would hit. All right, put the foam in. Here's what it looks like with the foam out. Your shin definitely hits that part of it. So I might add another layer to it to make sure. But actually this is not even glued on. It's just formed to it. 2 pieces. Yeah, that's a lot better because the plastic doesn't even hit it. I'm gonna walk back and forth like I would be walking in public and see if the foam slides down and see how far it goes. If not, or if it stays in that same area. It looks like it stays in the same area, so that's good. This one slid down a little bit, I guess. All you gotta do is just move it up. But like I said, you can tape it or glue it to the inside. But yeah. You wanna put them on? Yeah, put them on. Now you Astro girl. Astro girl.
How do you even walk in these? They feel so like, you feel like you can't even walk in them. How do you even walk in these? Huh?
Yeah, learn how to walk. It's like you learn how to walk as a human.
What the hell?
Now you gotta learn how to walk like Astro girl.
What the hell? I cannot believe you bought these.
Mm-hmm.
What in the world? What in the world? Who in our right mind wears these shoes?
They're boots, not shoes. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. It's your boy Bombster Fool and Nala Wildlust. Stay positive, peace, love, and happiness. We out.